Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace front bumper on Dodge Ram 1500. Start by parking level and securing the truck, then disconnect the battery and disable airbags. Layout tools including sockets, trim tools, jack, and stands. Inspect the replacement bumper for clips and mount alignment, and test fit it gently before final hardware is started to avoid paint chips and broken tabs during installation. Begin by removing grille trim and any visible fasteners holding the bumper cover. Loosen upper bolts and then support the bumper with a jack or a helper to prevent sudden drops. Remove lower bolts and inner wheel well clips, then carefully unplug fog lights and sensor connectors. Work slowly to avoid breaking plastic tabs and set the old bumper aside on a soft surface to protect paint and keep hardware organized for reuse. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you view money and saving, which helps when budgeting for repairs and upgrades. It pairs well with DIY projects and big purchases, so check the description for the link and other deals from the tools I used. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Test fit the new bumper to check alignment and ensure mounting tabs engage properly. Attach upper fasteners lightly and then lower mounting bolts while confirming even gaps around the grille and fenders. Reconnect fog lights and sensors, routing wires to avoid pinch points, then tighten all hardware incrementally to the specified torque. Finish by lowering the vehicle, reconnecting the battery, and verifying sensors and lights work before driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.